Hi, hello, good morning. So today I'm going to explain the problem about the concept of moment of inertia. So we have here the given problem is an empty beer can has a mass of 50 grams, a length of 12 centimeter, and a radius of 3.3 centimeter. Assume that the shell has a perfect cylinder can of a uniform density and thickness. So we're going to find the moment of inertia of the empty beer can. So first, identify natin yung given. So ano nga ba yung mga given natin? So we have here our given. So given natin is, so we have yung mass is 50 grams. Yan yung mass ng beer ha. So we need to convert this one into, convert natin into kilogram. That will be 50 grams divided by, we have 50 grams divided by 1,000 grams times 1 kilogram. So this is equal to 0.05 kilogram. So yan yung mass ng beer natin or your beer can natin. Okay. Okay. Now we have convert naman natin yung length into convert natin yung length natin na 12 centimeter, convert natin siya into meters. So to convert this one into meters, kailangan natin convert natin into meters. So we have 12 centimeter divided by 100 centimeter times 1 meter. So we have here, this is equal to 0.12 meters. So yan yung length. Then we have the radius. Radius natin na 3.3 cm. So convert natin ito. The same yung conversion process. That is 3.3 cm divided by 100 cm times 1 meter. So we have 0.033 meters. So meron na tayong given. We can now proceed with where ano with solving. Okay. So take note that 'di ba, meron tayong beer can. So let's try to illustrate this one. So if we're going to illustrate this one, this will be parang ganito siya. 'Di ba ito yung parang ganito siya. 'Di ba cylinder siya? So ganito yung cylinder natin. So we have here our cover. So ito yung lid natin. So ito yung ano natin na cylinder. So ganyan siya. So ito yung lid natin, yung sa cover natin, that is upper lid at saka meron din tayong lower lid. So we have two lids or two cover. Then ito yung can natin. Then our can. Our can is a cylinder. So by this, if we're going to solve for our inertia, we're going to use the formula. Okay, so ang magiging formula natin, that will be um, total inertia. Since 'di ba we have two object. We have here our lead and we have here our hoop. Okay, so our total inertia will be now this two times. Sige, since we have two leads, so that will be 2 times 1/2 mr squared. So that will be 2 times 1/2 mr squared plus we have here ito namang sa cylinder natin. So ano nga ba yung inertia ng ating cylinder? I hope that will be that is mr squared. So yan yung formula natin. However, itong sa mass, 'di ba ito yung sa ano natin. This is for our lead. Then ito yung sa cylinder or sa can natin. So that means itong mass natin dito, ito rin yung mass ng ating lead. Tsaka ito mass ng ating can or ng ating shell. Can be mass ng ating lead or it can be the mass of our shell. Okay, so how are we going to find the mass of that? So let's find the mass of that. So finding the mass, we have here the formula. Okay, so in finding the mass, kailangan nating magamit ng area. So take note that ang area ng circle natin, since 'di ba circular man yung ano natin, since cylinder man siya, so it has a circular lead. So area ng circle natin, that is, so area ng circle we have pi r squared. Then ang area ng cylinder natin, so area ng cylinder we have 2 pi rh. Or since dito yung given is length, so we have 2 pi r length natin. Okay, so to find the mass, we need to also get the total area. Diba? Total area natin to area total. That will be pi r squared plus 2 pi rl. However, since meron tayong dalawang lead, so we need to multiply this by 2. So this will be now 2 pi r squared. So this will be 2 pi r squared. So we have here our total area. So try natin mag-factor out. We have this, we have common, di ba? We have 2 pi r and 2 pi r. So we have common 2 pi r. So matira na lang, we have r plus l. So ito yung total area natin. Okay? So now, how are we going to find the mass? So to find the mass, we need to use the formula mass of an object. So okay, mass of the object is equal to area over total area times the given mass. Mass of the can or mass of the empty beer can. Okay, so we have now, ito yung formula natin na i-follow ha. So let's now solve for our mass ng ating circle. So let's solve our mass. So using the formula. Okay, so we have here the formula ha. Okay, so mass ng ating mass ng ating circle, we have here area of the circle divided by the total area total. Okay, so this will be equal to, so area ng ating sa area nating circle we have 'di ba pi r squared over total area natin we have 2 pi r times r plus l. So that will be the formula. So we have now, substitute natin yung given. Again ha, ito yung given natin. So we need to use this given. Ito. We have here our radius of 0.033 meters. So we have pi times, sorry, we have times mass pala. Times mass. Nakakalimutan ko yung mass. Okay, times our mass. Okay. So we have here pi r squared, so 0.033 meters squared over, so lagyan natin siya sa bracket, 2 pi times 0.033 meters times 0.033 meters plus 0.12 meters. Since yung length natin is 0.12 times the mass of 0.05 kilogram. Yan yung mass ng ano natin, beer can. Okay, after that, sorry, manitis pala yung nagamit kong pen. So, after that, so we have here mass natin ng circle. We need to input this one in our calculator. So, by inputting, we have here, input natin yan sa calculator ha. We have pi times 0.033 squared over 2 pi times 0.033 times 0.033 plus 0.12 times our 0.05 kilogram. So that is equal to 5.39. Convert natin siya into two decimal places. So we have here, that is 5.39 times 10 to negative 3. So we have 5.39 times 10 to the negative 3 kilogram. So yan yung mass ng circle natin. Okay, now we have yung sa ano naman, we have here for our shell. So ano yung sa shell natin or yung sa cylinder natin? So we have here area ng cylinder, area ng shell, divided by, or area ng cylinder, divided by A total times our mass. So, yan yung formula ha. So, we need to substitute our given. So, ano yung area ng cylinder natin? We have 2 pi RL divided by our total area. We have 2 pi R plus L. So, by the way, we can cancel out. So, cancel out natin yung 2 pi R. So, cancel out ang 2 pi R. Ang matira na lang is, okay, times M tayo. That, ang matira na lang will be, we have L over R plus L times M. Yan na lang yung matira sa formula natin. Okay, now we have here, substitute natin yung given. So, substitute natin yung given. Ano yung L natin? We have 0.12 meters divided by R natin na 0.033 meters plus 0.12 meters times our mass na 0.05 kilogram. So, this will be equal to, okay, so, let's try to input that one sa calculator natin. So, we have 0.12 divided by 0.033 plus 0.12 times 0.05. So, that will be 0. Ito yung sagot natin. However, we need to convert this one into naka scientific notation tayo. So we have 3.92 times, so we have 2 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay? So yan yung magiging sagot natin. Okay, so now meron na tayong mass. Let's now solve for our total inertia. Okay, yan ha. Ito yung mass natin. So let's go back. So again, ano yung mass natin? We have here our mass. Mass ng circle, mass ng lead natin. We have 5.39 times 10 to negative 3 kilogram. Then, mass ng shell natin, we have 3.92 times 10 to the negative 2 kilograms. So, yan yung mga mass natin. Okay, so now meron na tayong given, complete na yung given natin. Let's substitute this one to solve for our total inertia. So, total inertia will be now, okay, So we have here our total inertia. Okay, total inertia, that will be equals to 2 times 1 half m lead times r plus ir squared, sorry, plus m shell times r squared. Okay? Then, since meron tayong 2 dito, cancel out natin yan. So, we have m lead r squared plus m shell r squared. Okay, so let's substitute our given. So, we have ano yung mass ng lead natin? We have 5.39 times 10 to the negative 3 kilogram times yung radius natin na 0.033 meter quantity squared plus, okay, yun namang sa shell natin. We have 3.3.92 times 10 to the negative 2 kilogram times 0.033 meter quantity squared. So, yan yung substitution natin. Okay, let's solve for this. Term by term tayo. 5.39 times 10 to the negative 3. That will be times 0.033 squared. So this is equal to 5.87 times 10 to the negative 6. So that is 5.87 times 10 to the negative 6. Round off tayo to the nearest two decimal places. Then plus tayo. Okay, plus 3.92 times 10 to the negative 2. Okay, times 0.33 squared. So that is equal to 4.23, 27, sorry. 27 times 10 to the negative 5. After that, we're going to add this one. Kilogram, sorry, forgot the unit. Kilogram meter squared. This is kilogram meter squared. Okay? Then, we have here 5.87. 5.87 times 10 to the negative 6 plus 4.27 times 10 to the negative 5. So by adding the 2, we have 4.857 times 10 to the negative 5 kilogram meter squared. So ito yung magiging value ng ating inertia of the beer can. Okay, so ito yung total inertia ng beer can natin. Okay? So if my question, please ask in the comment section kasi I know medyo mahaba-haba yung explanation natin. Okay? So I hope may naintindihan kayo. I hope you learned something. And I hope may naitulong na naman ako sa inyo. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.